有请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this month we're introducing you to the Hakka punk band Trago. Here's another track of theirs called Hakka Sucker, and it describes the Hakka people working hard in foreign lands, struggling for a better life, while always feeling like outsiders. However, despite these hardships, their enduring spirit helps them to keep rising and bravely face life's challenges. Well, let's go ahead and take a listen to Hakka Sucker.这首非常热血的歌曲叫做《Hakka Sucker》，是由翠过乐团所带来的歌。里面描述的是漂流异乡的客家人到处为生活打拼，留下辛苦的汗水，却仍然觉得异乡永远陌生，生活依旧不易。但虽然摔倒了，还是会再次爬起来，继续勇猛的挑战生活。我们来继续收听《Hakka Sucker》。Keep your head and spirits up with this song called Hakka Sucker by Trago. I'm Joseph Lin. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.